incumbent district governor to the incoming district governor.
Ang aga, April. Hindi pa turn over.
No.
It is more of a celebration.
Yes, a celebration, yes.
We're celebrating the performance, all the things that we've done for the year. We're now going to share our stories within ourselves and with the outside world, di ba? Yun ang celebration.
Yeah.
It's more of a celebration.
We will introduce formally the district governor.
Tama ka po. Kasi dyan, binibigyan natin naman ang opportunity ang isang district governor elect.
Yes.
Okay. Ano naman yung awards na ibibigay niya sa gabi?
Normally, yung mga regular na awards na binibigay ng Gawag-Gawag na dati, yung mga best club,
sa district conference yung binibigay.
Kasi, kaya naman namin ginawa na inuman sa question yun sa bahay kasi meron tayong pag-schedule sa bahay. So, magsisikip yung schedule natin. So, naisip ng ating governor, yes, para isahin na ito.
Time saving and cost din yun. Pero hindi ba the Rotary year ends in June? Yes. So, paano ngayon yung ano yung base ng performance sa awards?
Management namin, dahil kung gagawin niyo, actually, siguro by the first let me back.
Okay.
Traditionally, if you notice, sa district convention na sa Discord, or at least for our district, di ba March ito this is usually held March. Then the awards night is usually towards the end of May.
Yeah.
If you remember. Kasi mga last week of May, di ba?
Right.
But since our district governor, the district said na, look, many of us are going to Bangkok because it's for the Rotary International Convention. So, the attention given for the awards night might not be there anymore. Preparation. So, sabi nila, pagsama na natin. So, ginawa namin halfway between. So, between March and May, ginawa namin April. How both?
Tama yun. Kasi ang competition naman yan hanggang March.
Yes. Ngayon, the question is, what's the basis now for the awards? I think the 9 months or 10 months.
Besides, hindi naman talaga tayo gumagawa ng awang gawa para sa awards. Yun naman